Hello po mga kababayan, si Dante Maravillas. Breaking news ngayon. Ayan o. Sabi dito sa report ng GMA News, 5 senators of the new Senate minority filed a resolution urging Senator Ronald Bato de la Rosa to voluntarily surrender to proper authorities and seek judicial remedies in accordance with the Constitution and applicable laws and rules. Tapos lalong iiyak si Bato de la Rosa, mga kababayan. Kanina, walang tigil sa pag-iyak si Bato de la Rosa habang nasa sesyon ng Senado. Yan mga kababayan, nagpapaawa si Bato de la Rosa na parang bata na inaamo-amo ni
Bungo. I'm hoping to have all
Yan,
Senator caucus soon. I just don't know if today or tomorrow to discuss the committees and to even consult the minority even before we offer certain committees. But anything that is
At kanina din mga kababayan, muntika nang magpang-abot si Robin Padilla at saka si Kiko Pangilinan in relation dito sa issue kay Bato de la Rosa. Ayan inaabot yung kamay, sinisigawan daw siya kasi hindi man po sinisigawan. Inaabot yung kamay ni Kiko si Robin Padilla kasi sinasabihan ni Robin Padilla sinisigawan siya ni Kiko. Nag-point of order lang si Kiko. Ayaw makipagkamay ni Robin Padilla. Ayan Kaya ang punot dulo ng away dyan si Bato de la Rosa. Kung magtatagal pa yan dyan si Bato de la Rosa, talagang baka magkagulo. May mga masasaktan na iba, madadamay dahil sa kanyang presence mga kababayan. So, kailangan na talagang desisyonan ito ng Senado, mga kababayan. Ayan napakayabang nitong si Robin Padilla. Sumama na kaya siya, sabi niya, hindi niya iiwanan si Bato at saka si Digong. Di magsama-sama na sila. Diba? Ganun lang yon. Ito yung draft resolution mga kababayan. Introduced Senate Resolution 395. Introduced by Senators Kiko Pangilinan, Tito Soto, Ping Lacson, Risa Ontiveros, si Senator Aquino, Paulo Bam Aquino. Sabi diyan, resolution expressing the sense of the Senate urging Senator Ronald Bato M. de la Rosa to voluntarily surrender to the proper authorities and seek judicial remedies in accordance with the Constitution and applicable laws and rules. Whereas Section 1 of the 1987 Constitution, Article 2, provides that the Philippines is a democratic and republican state. Sovereignty resides in the people and all government authorities emanates from them, thereby requiring all public officials and institutions to remain accountable under the law. Whereas Article 11, Section 1 of the 1987 Constitution declares that public office is a public trust and that public officers and employees must at all times be accountable to the people, serve them with utmost responsibility, integrity, loyalty, and efficiency, act with patriotism and justice, and lead modest lives. Whereas Article 3 of the Bill of Rights of the 1987 Constitution guarantees due process of law and the equal protection of the laws, while likewise recognizing that no person shall be deprived of liberty except through lawful procedures established by law. Whereas Article 8, Section 1 of the 1987 Constitution vests judicial power in the courts, including the duty to settle actual controversies involving rights which are legally demandable and enforceable, and to determine whether there has been grave abuse of discretion amounting to lack or excess of jurisdiction on the part of any branch of or instrumentality of government. Whereas Article 6 of the Constitution, while granting legislative powers and institutional privileges to Congress, does not authorize the Senate to provide sanctuary, immunity from arrest, or so-called protective custody to any member. Beyond constitutionally recognized parliamentary immunities expressly provided therein, whereas Section 11 of the Constitution provides only limited privilege from arrest for senators and members of the House of Representatives while Congress is in session, and only for offenses punishable by not more than 6 years imprisonment, clearly indicating that no blanket immunity or protective custody exists for grave offenses or proceedings authorized under the law. Whereas neither the Constitution nor the rules of the Senate contain any provision authorizing the Senate to grant protective custody, institutional refuge, or immunity from lawful arrest or surrender processes pursuant to existing laws, treaties of international cooperation mechanism. Whereas Republic Act 9851, otherwise known as the Philippine Act on Crimes Against International Humanitarian Law, Genocide, and Other Crimes Against Humanity, vests exclusive original jurisdiction over offenses punishable under the Act in designated regional trial courts, thereby affirming the primacy of the judicial processes in resolving questions of criminal liability. Whereas the Senate has historically respected judicial and procedural processes involving its own members and former officials, including the voluntary surrender and judicial submission of late former Senator Juan Ponce Enrile, the resort to legal remedies and court proceedings by former Senator and now Congresswoman Laila de Lima, and judicial recourse undertaken by former Senator Antonio Trillanes IV. Whereas adherence to lawful processes and voluntary submission to judicial authority strengthen democratic institutions, reinforce constitutional accountability, and uphold the principle that no public official is above the law. Correct. Maganda po ito, the resolution. Now therefore, be it resolved, as it is hereby resolved by the Senate of the Philippines, to urge Senator Ronald Bato de la Rosa to voluntarily surrender to the proper authorities and seek judicial remedies in accordance with the Constitution and applicable laws and rules. Hindi yung gagawin niyang sanctuary, yung Senado. Ginawa pa niyang bahay, pati konsumo, mga kababayan sa kuryente. So nandun siya. Di ba? Kaya may mga joke-joke nga po na dati niya ayaw nang pumasok sa Senado kasi nagtatago si Bato. Ayan dati ayaw pumasok sa Senado, ngayon naman ayaw nang umuwi. Naging workaholic na. Kasi gusto niyang magtago for life. Hindi mapapwedeng ganyan. Magtago ka dyan for life sa Senado, gawin mo ng bahay. Hindi pa pwedeng yung ganyan. So resolve further that the Senate affirms its commitment to the Constitution, the rule of law, and the principle that accountability applies equally to all public officials regardless of rank or position. Resolve further that the Senate reiterates that its processes no constitutional or statutory authority to provide protective custody or sanctuary from lawful arrest, surrender, or judicial processes. Resolved finally that copies of this resolution be furnished to the Senate President, the Supreme Court, the Department of Justice, the Philippine National Police, and other concerned agencies for the information and appropriate action. So yan mga kababayan ang breaking news ngayon, resolution. Lalong iiyak si Bato de la Rosa. Yan kasi napakayabang. Yan o. Hindi ako natatakot, bring it on. Go ahead, make my day, Mr. Trillanes. Ikaw mismo, magposa sa akin. Pagkatapos ngayon, nakikiusap, umiiyak sa ating Pangulong Bongbong Marcos dahil binulshit niya. Yan kanina sa interview, sana wag niya akong ipadala sa dahig. Di ba? Matapos niya mga kababayan kahapon, pagsabihan yung Marcos government na this is the worst government niya. Yung sinabi niya doon sa Senado nang tumakbo siya para lang makaboto pala yung intensyon. Makaboto. Pinahamak siya ng kanyang mga kasama kasi gusto lang palitan si Tito Sen para mga kababayan malinaw to shield Sara Duterte. O ngayon, yan ang inabot niya. Trap siya dyan, mga kababayan. At anytime, kukunin siya ng PNP. Nakapaligid na po yung mga kapulisan sa Senado. And with this resolution, ito-turn over na siya. At saka magkukos lang siya ng tensyon kasi pag nandyan sa Senado, si Bato de la Rosa, magkakasakitan. Hindi lang yung mga senador magsusuntukan yan dyan, baka magkabarilan pa. Di ba? So kailangan po talagang alisin yan dyan. I-surrender si Bato kasi binibigyan siya ng due process. Tapos napakasinungaling mga kababayan. Yan yung interview sa kanya kanina. Pakinggan ninyo. Nagdi-deny wala daw siyang pinapatay na tao.
Wala akong pinatay na tao at wala akong inutusan na patayin ninyo yan. Alam nila yan. Ano, gusto niyo patayin? Gusto niyo patayin? Patayin niyo. Puntahan niyo. Buhusan niyo ng gasolina. Yung bahay, sindihan ninyo. Pakita ninyo na galit kayo sa kanila. Wala akong pinatay na tao at wala akong inutusan na patayin ninyo yan. Alam nila yan. Ano, gusto niyo patayin? Patayin niyo. Puntahan niyo. Buhusan niyo ng gasolina. Yung bahay, sindihan ninyo. Pakita ninyo na galit kayo sa kanila. Wala.
Diba, mga kababayan, pagkatapos kanina, nagpa-interview, nakikiusap sa ating Pangulo, huwag daw siyang isuko sa ICC. Umiiyak, mga kababayan. Tapos ito na siya ngayon doon sa sesyon sa Senado. Grabe ang drama, paawa.
Pending and should be, I think the only
Matindi.
things that
Talo
are
yung mga
technically on hold is new hearing.
Passed on third reading here and in the House. Should we also continue with the
Diba?
buy-down for the voucher
Mga kababayan,
programs?
If there's no
sobra kong
objection, I think
magdrama.
we should all continue.
At saka magkakagulo sa labas ng Senado. Kasi siyempre, nandun yung mga pulis at nandun yung mga supporters nila. Di ba? So, tama ito na resolution mga kababayan ng 5 mga senador.